Yung ano.
Mr. President, point of order.
Yes, Senator Raffy. What's the pleasure of Senator Raffy Tulfo?
Mr. President, in the past few weeks, I have coordinated with the Office of the Majority Leader regarding the membership of the committees I hold as chairman. In fairness to the Majority Leader's office, they have extended all efforts to formalize the election of the members of the Committee on Public Services and Migrant Workers. What disturbs me is that it is the inaction of the minority floor leader to confirm these memberships that holds important LEDAC bills hostage, such as the Department of Water, crucial franchise bills, and the OFW reintegration bills. To my colleagues in the minority, maraming salamat po for your confirming your intent to join my committee. But to the minority leader, my good friend, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, it is time that we cooperate so that we may get back to legislating. If you have time to go on FB Live, maybe you have time to confirm or give the go signal to your minority members. Kasi Mr. President, pabalik-balik na po yung staff ko sa office ni Senator Peter Alan Cayetano para kumuha raw ng go signal nang sa gayon yung kanyang mga members ay ma-elect na sa committee ko. And all of them were saying we're more than happy and willing to sign, pero ayaw ni Senator Cayetano, Alan Cayetano. I don't know anong dahilan niya, bakit niya hino-hostage yung pagiging members ng kanyang mga kasamahan sa committee ko. Hino-hostage niya po yung mga LEDAC bills sa kanyang pagtanggi na bigyan ng go signal ang kanyang mga kasamahan sa minority para pumirma. Mr. President, sana makarating to kay Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Kanina sana kausapin ko po siya, kaso wala po siya dito ngayon. Therefore, I have no choice para dalhin to sa floor. Maraming salamat, Mr. President.
Senator Raffy, thank you for that reminder. In fact, we have 32 committees that have yet to be fully convened. Kulang pa ho tayo ng mga members. And we would like to request later on, me and the majority leader would coordinate and talk to our minority leader to provide us with the list of members to fully complete the 32 committees. We recognize Senator Pia Cayetano.
Thank you, Mr. Senate President. Actually, I don't really have to stand anymore because the Senate President already responded in the manner that I believe is becoming of the Senate. Senator Tulfo, madali niyo naman akong tanungin, alam niyo naman kapatid ko si Alan, kung gusto niyo may iparating. Huwag na ho kayo magdrama ng mga pa-hostage. Hindi ho tayo ganito dito. And I certainly hope, that you don't set a precedent kasi I don't know the Senate President to be that way. I don't know the Majority Floor Leader to be that way. He happens to be seated beside the former Senate President. The Minority Floor Leader doesn't happen to be here. I can talk to him. Pag in-ignore niya kayo and the next day, wala pa rin, then sige, sabihin niyo yung gusto niyo. Pero huwag naman sanang ganun. Wala ko akong naalalang ganun magsalita dito sa Senate for the 19 years that I've been a senator. Yun lang naman po. Thank you, Mr. Senate President.
What's the pleasure of Senator Raffy Tulfo?
Sandali, Mr. President, ubusin ko muna yung tawa ko. Never po ako nagdrama dito. Simula nung ako'y maging senador, never ever po ako nagdrama rito. Halugugin niyo po yung mga post sa social media. Never niyo ako nakita nagdrama o ginamit to para mag-grandstanding. Alam niyo po yan. Alam na lahat ng tao rito. Sino ang nagdadrama? Tumingin muna kayo sa salamin bago kayo magsalita. Salamat po.
Pareho naman pong majority and minority gusto ng mag-focus sa trabaho.
Yeah.
At kanina ho, natapos na ho natin yung anti-hospital detention na napakaganda po yung debate at pag-amenda. At naniniwala po ako na mabubuon rin natin itong mga committees natin sa pamamagitan ng coordination between yours truly and the majority leader.